Hello, in this video you will learn how to enable Active Directory Recycle Bin on Windows Server 2016. As you know, in previous Windows versions, there are basically two ways to restore deleted Active Directory objects. First way, you can run an authoritative restore of an Active Directory system state backup, and it requires that you start a domain controller in Active Directory service restore mode. This requires downtime and the domain controller will be unavailable during the time period of the restore. Second way, you can perform a tombstone reanimation, which was introduced with Windows Server 2003, and it's the way to recover deleted objects without taking a domain controller offline. When Active Directory deletes an object from the directory, it doesn't physically remove the object from the database. Instead, Active Directory marks the object as a deleted by setting the object is deleted attribute to true, stripping most of the attributes from the object, renaming the object, and then moving the object to a special container in the object's naming context named cn deleted objects. The object now called a tombstone, and it's invisible to normal directory operations. You can retrieve objects from the deleted objects container, where they are kept after deletion until their tombstone period expires 16 days. Also, the result of restoring deleted object using tombstone reanimation procedure is not perfect. You will restore a disabled account with all attributes has been stripped. You have to set the password and enable the account. Okay, Microsoft has been released Active Directory Recycle Bin feature starting from Windows Server 2008 R2, and it's one of the things we can do from the Active Directory Administrative Center interface is turn on the Active Directory Recycle Bin features for Active Directory, as it simply allow you to restore deleted object from Active Directory. It can be a user account, computer account, or organizational unit, OU. Active Directory Recycle Bin makes it much easier to recover accidentally deleted objects without the need of a system state or third-party backup. By default, a deleted object can be restored within 180 days with all attributes. Also, Active Directory Recycle Bin in Windows Server 2016, like in 2012 R2, makes it very easy, but this feature is not enabled by default. You need to enable it manually. Okay, before thinking about enabling the Active Directory Recycle Bin features, you need to be a member of the Enterprise Admins group to successfully enable the option. Okay, let's go to enable Active Directory Recycle Bin. From Server Manager, Tools, Active Directory Administrative Center, select your domain, click Enable Recycle Bin on the right-hand side. Confirmation message and warning to be aware this feature cannot be disabled. Okay, notification message telling you that you will need to refresh the console also informs you that you may have to wait for all the domain controller in the forest to replicate the recycle bin configuration change. Okay, refresh the console. That's it. A new deleted object container is now available in Active Directory Administrative Center. Let's check and open Active Directory users and computers. Under Free Cloud OU, let's delete test free account. Delete. Refresh. Go to Active Directory Administrative Center. Deleted objects container. As shown, all deleted objects since 180 days with useful information like date and time of deletion, type of object, user or group or OU. Also, you can type the name of deleted object in the search box, test, and it will search for all accounts that start or end with test. Also, You can type the full name of deleted account object, free, as you see, the deleted account, and when deleted, right click. We have two options to restore. Restore simply restores to the original location. Restore to allow us to specify a new location. I will select restore. Well, this is it. There are no additional steps. We quickly restore deleted object as shown. Let's go to Active Directory again to check. Refresh. Well, it's restored. Also note, this operation is irreversible, cannot be disabled. And now you will see the Enable Recycle Bin link is grayed out or dimmed. However, the Active Directory Recycle Bin is definitely a worse feature to enable. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed. Many thanks and see you in the next video.